remember we did this one. This is the bank recon. So we need to, this is a little bit different, but yeah, but I think we've done this before. So they will always give you the bank. Sometimes they give you the results, but here they give you the bank statement, and thereafter they also give you the bank recon from previous month. So what you need to do first, we need to make sure that we read the information. Okay. So firstly, we know that we are cotton filled fabric, and then they give you the books for April and May. So if they give you the April and May, just know that the latest month is our month. So our month is May. But the reason why they give you April is the fact that sometimes the figures for April can affect us. Can you see now? That's why they gave you the bank recon from the previous month, because it will affect us somehow. Can you see now? So this is the bank recon from the previous month, but they're asking us to calculate to compile the bank recon for May. So they give us the bank recon for April. So I'm going to show you how to do that. Okay. So they also give you the bank statement. It's very much important, guys. You must understand the bank statement. Remember, on the bank statement, the debit means you received. Please, if you have got this paper on your side there, just write it down and say, you can write receipts on top. Receipts. Meaning this is what you have received. And then the payments are going to be under the credits. No, sorry. The other way around, sorry. The debits are payments, sorry. And then the credits are receipts. So you can just write on top like that. I don't know if it's visible from your side. So meaning whatever you see on the debit side of the bank statement, this means that you paid here, and whatever you see on the credit side, it means you received.
Sir,
Yes.
is it okay when I say my debit side it's the CPJ and then credit side it's CRJ?
Yeah, credit side CRJ. Yes, you're correct. Like yeah, they're related to that. Yeah, you're correct. You are the one who wrote here, ne? Are you the one who wrote here?
No.
I like the person who wrote here. I like the way you interact. So, but this is correct. Credits are receipts, debits are payment. Ah, you're on fire. Who is that man? I want to give him money. Oh, in future.
Haibo, what about me now? Ah, aye. Haibo. Ah.
Thank you. X. Hopefully you're not X for you. I'm afraid. X, you raise your hand. You can say something. Okay.
I'm
X is not saying
responsible
anything.
for that writing, sir.
Come again. Okay, Fanny. Okay, thank you, Fanny. Thank you so much. Thank you, Fanny. Yeah. Okay, fine. And then we're gonna go to the next. They give us the Mbali, you are correct, yes. They give us the cash payments here and the cash receipts. Can you see now? So we need to go and make sure that we record. So they want the cash payments journal and the cash receipts and the bank account thereafter. So like Mbali said, the first step is to record these totals. Can you see here we've got payments, we've got total for the payments. Please know this total so that you can help me by the time when I record. Um, I'm gonna write now. Thank you. Yes, these are the totals. Can you see the totals here? These are the totals. I think you all know where we got them from. We got them from the cash payments that is given to us, and the other one was the cash receipts. Any question? Okay, now I'm going back. I think I've got two slides which are the same here. That's why. Sorry, guys. I duplicated, but it's okay. It means it's double understanding. It's okay. Now, let's go and check our bank statement there. I think you can all see here because we don't have additional information there. So now, this is what we need to do. Firstly, we need to go and check the bank statement for any possible information that must go to the cash payments and the cash receipts. Okay. So if you check here, there's a description column here of the bank statement. Remember, if you see something like a deposit or a check, you don't have to worry about it. You must only look for things which are not checks, which are not deposits, things which are very specific. Who can tell me what you see as something that I must record first, which is very specific under this description? Something that is not deposit, something that is not check, something that is not opening balance, something that is something
Monthly
foreign.
service fees, sir.
Monthly service fee. Thank you so much. And where will I record this one?
Say on
Yes.
the. Let me type it.
Yes, you can. Thank you. Quickly. Say something quickly. Bali, lol. Anya Zinan. Okay, no problem. Let's continue. I was asking where are we going to record that because you're not saying it. I'm going to say it. You because it's a payment. You pay that. You're going to record it under
CPG.
your CPJ. Those are the bank charges. Okay, we call them bank charges. Please give me that amount again. I don't want to go back. I'm going to waste time. What is the amount for bank charges, service fee? So people don't want to give me the amount. I'm by myself here. Don't worry. One day I'm going to become a millionaire. I'm not going to give anyone money. How much is the bank charges? uh, I think it's this one. I don't know. Double check for me. Let me see. Kutri, say something. You're raising your hand.
So like the monthly service fees, nah, is that the bank charges?
Yes.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
No problem. Yeah, every time like you see the word fee, if it has got a fee in it, you just know that they are bank charges. Ne?
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
And again, the other thing, ne? If you have more than one, remember you must add them in brackets together. Together you call them bank charges. Don't put them one by one. Okay.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
Perfect. Thank you so much. So this is the amount that I can you see, and it shows that can you see the reason why I put payments here at least. Can you see? It's a hint. I know that I'm gonna put it under payments. Can you see now? It's advisable for you guys to do this when you're writing exam. So this one is okay, guys. Whatever you have used, please tick so that you cannot use it again. Okay. The second thing that is very specific that you think I must record, which one is that?
Debit order.
Debit order MTN.
David order MTN. Okay, you don't like the other one. Okay, it's okay. David order MTN. I'm gonna go for the debit order. I can see Fanny say is looking for the extinguisher here. For me, I'm looking for a book so that I can, you know. make sure that I don't feel the heat. Now, yeah, no, we're gonna pass, guys. Remember, if you don't pass, don't tell anyone that you know me. Okay, you must agree with that. How can you know me if you fail? No, 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 no. You don't know me.
Sir,
Yes.
someone asked if like your case mark is more than 60. Have you passed already or what? I wanna know.
No, you must write the exam first.
And then get how many?
If you get 30%, that you're gonna be safe.
40. Oh, okay, cool.
30. But
Let's
don't
see.
aim for 30. Yes, 30. Remember,
I
in the exam, you need to get 30. We call it a sub minimum. You get 30 before we look at your case mark. If you get less than 30, we don't look at your case mark. You fail automatically, even though your overall mark say you pass. You must be careful. Less than 30, automatic fail, even
So
though you
why did
passed
we tell
overall.
them, sir? Ish, sir, now they won't work hard. So you see, sir, ish.
Hey,
Come
Vel,
again?
they won't work hard. They're going
No,
to
no,
aim for
I was just saying.
30%.
No, that's why I'm saying don't aim for 30%, but make sure that you get 30%, at least 30%. That is what I mean. Because
What,
the
what
minute you
happened?
get less
What
than,
happened? What happened
yes.
to the 90% deal we had?
No, 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 no. I'm saying, that's why I'm saying, I'm advising them not to aim for 30%, but to make sure that they don't get less than 30%. That is what I mean.
Oh,
Because automatically it's an automatic fail. Remember, you can still get 30. And when they calculate overall, you pass. But if you get 25 and overall you pass, you don't pass, you fail because you didn't get 30. Everyone must get 30. Are we together?
yes, sir.
How much is the debit order, please? Yes, let me see the. Ntokozo, you can't see the question paper. You're talking about where I said it. I guess you are saying you are lost. I don't know. You are with me, but you are lost. Can I help?
Sir, they're saying they can't see the paper. They can't see the
Which
paper.
group is there?
The one that you're doing, the answer sheet and stuff, it's blank.
Or on my,
I sent.
or where I put, on my, you can't see my, when I write, you can't see.
Yes,
It's
there's no
breaks,
paper,
it's
it's
break.
blank.
Break, you can't see nothing, it's break.
So what you can do,
When it's
let
not blank.
me. But
So
from my
some of
side,
us
it's
can
the
see, sir.
can you see it now?
Yeah, I can see, sir.
I can see it too.
They must log off and rejoin. No, Bongi, we're not gonna do the cash budget, but we can just talk about it, because of time. Because I do have another booster after you guys. So if I've got time, I'm gonna
Sir,
explain it.
sorry, sir.
Yes.
Sorry to interject, sir. So overall, sir, where must we study from and where must we end? Like from which chapter to which chapter, sir? At least to be safe, knowing that we're gonna be safe if we have to like go through.
All the chapters
Honestly,
that you've done.
I'm
all
not
of
asking
them. Honestly,
sir, only sir, not you.
okay. So let me say something, guys. From I can only say it from my past experience because I don't set the paper. I'm like you. I don't even know what are they gonna set. But what they said, they will try to set everything. All the units are part of the scope. But from my past experience, they like the journals. Remember the journals, the cash receipts, the cash payment, the petty cash, the general journal.
Yes, sir.
And then they also like the general ledger accounts, the ones that we just did. Remember the T account,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
and then even this one that I'm doing. So they play around these ones.
Okay, sir.
Yes, and a little bit of theory. They always throw theory there and there. You know that.
Yeah. So, sir, it's basically
Yeah.
it's basically what was on our assessment, ne?
That's true, my brother. That's true. If you can study
Oh,
those assessments, it's gonna be okay.
okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
I'm telling you, if you can manage to do those assessments, and thereafter there are other questions that we did in class. Remember, I also posted them under your RC. Ne? They do have answers, some of them. So if
Yes,
you
sir.
can go through that, you're gonna be okay. I'm telling you.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
No problem. Okay, guys. Are you okay with the debit order there?
Yes, sir.
No problem. Let's go and check the other one, apart from the debit order. Mbali, where's the fire? Where's the fire? Where's the fire?
Direct deposit Investec.
Direct deposit. Where will I record this one? Under which journal?
CRJ.
CRJ. Thank you so much. Please note the amount for me so that you can be able to help me.
See, I didn't note it. You moved fast.
Oh, I was too fast.
Yes.
There's no hurry in South Africa. I forgot. Yeah, let's just do this.
Oh yeah, okay, 4,500.
Thank you so much. I'm gonna go to the cash receipts. I'm gonna write direct deposit. Direct deposit. And then who is this guy? Who is the Investec? And then it's 4.5, ne? Yes, I think so. 4.5. Thank you, guys. Any question about that? Can we move on? No problem. So, okay, now we can go back. Thank you, sir. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. I think we recorded all the info because we did focus on the bank statement. Can you see we recorded what we wanted? So let me zoom. Yeah, this is what we have. Can you see now? What we have? What we have? No problem. No problem. No problem. Now we can go and add. Let's add quickly.
Sir,
Yes.
what is the difference between direct deposit and deposit? Why are we not recording the deposit thingy and recording the direct deposit one?
Okay. The deposit one, it means those are just the normal deposit which took place during the period. We assume that, remember, we were aware of them. A direct deposit means someone paid us without informing us. We just we were made aware when we were looking at the bank statement. We realized that we do have a deposit which was directly transferred to the bank account without us knowing. Does that make sense? Thank you so much. I hope it makes sense. Okay, now. But either whether it's a direct deposit or a deposit, the fact is it's a deposit, but we only record the direct because direct, we just saw it now. So other deposits, we have seen them before, we have recorded them before. Okay. You can help me with the totals.
So on CRJ, it's 4.5.
4.5. Remember that I told you, we must also add the balances.
Oh, no. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. Let me go through my
No problem.
calculation.
No problem. It's okay. Auditors, please. Oh,
So on the CPJ, it's 63,599.65.
it's 63,000.
599.65.
No, I think I made a mistake, man. There's an amount that is wrong there. The debit order is wrong. The debit order is wrong. The debit amount is wrong. Sorry about that.
Yes.
Because I did these calculations already. I think I put the amount that was supposed to be put now. I think this is the total. Hey, this system, I don't know. I'm trying to write this, running away. Okay, the amount I think was 39. Auditors didn't even see this one. Future auditors. They didn't even see the mistake.
No, sir, they did tell you Gonto on the chat.
Oh, sorry, maybe because maybe the messages came in numbers. That's why. Sorry about that. Guys, I don't know. I'm trying to click. It runs away. Okay, now add for me, please.
$33,772.2.
20, eh? Thank you so much. That is the total for the payments. Please help with the total for the receipts.
47,940.2.
940.2. Thank you so much for that. Remember, you and I, after compiling this, we advised each other that we need to put something at the bottom so that it can help us by the time when we transfer. So at the bottom of the bank under the cash payment, what must I write? Which side must I write? Debit or credit?
Credit.
Credit. Thank you so much. And the other one, obviously, is going to be debit.
Debit.
Please, you must do those things, guys. It will help you a lot by the time when you transfer. So the next step is to open a bank account. So any questions, guys? No, on your behalf, we continue. This is the bank account. Who can tell me what is the first thing that we're going to record on a bank account?
The total receipt.
The one that is debited. Which one? Sir, can you please go back to the previous slide?
Yes, previous slide. Hi, Nana. Let's see. Which one? The one with the bank statement? Or the one with the answers?
No, sir, I got it. It was the one that we just calculated.
Okay.
Yeah, thanks.
Now, I need your attention now. Now we need, okay, I was just asking you a question. You said I must transfer the totals. Remember, before you transfer the totals, you need to go and look for the balance of the bank account. Are we together? Are we together? Okay, no problem. Now, guys, we are 26 of us here. Say yebo, yes. Oh, I want to see. Are we still alive here? Otherwise, I don't continue.
Yes, sir. Continue.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Oh, yes. Thank you. We below. We below is here. Welcome, guys. X. X has been here. X Wapuma. Yes. Ashanti. Yeah. Ashanti is here. Thank you. Ian. Vic. Thank you. Sorry, Wipelo. Sorry, man. But I did record this one, okay? Yeah. Bantu, thank you so much. Thank you, Mpo. No problem, guys. I'm happy now. I'm not alone. Now let's go and check. I want to show you how to find the balance. The first thing that you can write as the notes. Kaurelo, thank you. And not Kaurelo, how yes. Taban, thank you. Fere. Now check. Write it down as the procedures under your bank account so that you cannot forget. Firstly, you look for the balance of the bank. There are various ways of finding the balance. The balance can either be found under your previous bank recon, or you can find it on your bank statement, or they can give it to you under information. Did you get what I said? Or do you enjoy my repeats? Thank you so much, Ndogozo. I said the bank account balance can be found from the following. You can either find it from your previous bank reconciliation statement, or from the bank statement, or from the additional information. So it depends what you have. So according to our exercise here or question, I said you can either find it from the previous bank recon. Can you see this is the previous bank recon? And we can either find it from the bank statement. So here at least we have got two places where we want to find it. So it doesn't matter, I can only choose one out of them, because irrespective of what I choose between the two, the balance will be the same. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying or not. So now, okay, I'm going to show you how to do this. Now, let's go and check the balance of the bank now. I'm going to show you. Do we have any previous bank record? I'm just asking, just for the sake of asking. Okay. Let me do this. It's not make sure now. Okay, let me explain. Look at the previous bank record. Yes, you're correct, Mbali. The balance is what? 42957. Can you see now? The balance as per bank account, you must take this one, because they gave you the recon from the previous month. So I'm going to put that as a balance on the debit side. I'm going to go and record. Don't worry, I'm going to tell you what if, ne? Because now, because we were using the preference must be given to what? To the previous bank record. So I'm going to come here. I even forgot the date. No, it's okay. I'm just going to write the first. I'm not going to write the month. I'm just going to write first. And then I'm going to write balance brought down.
So are we using the opening balance?
The opening balance for, you're talking about the bank statement?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm going to go there. I'm going to explain to you. See, so I think this usually, okay, I didn't want to say it, but let me write it quickly down so that we can explain to you. The balance was 42957.37. Okay, let me go there so that I can explain. So this is the balance. This is the balance that I put here. I'm going to answer your question now. Let me go back. I'll come back to this one, guys. Don't worry, I'll come back. So remember, this was just a previous paper and it was compiled by someone. Usually, I didn't want to say this, but because now you're asking a question, it's like you caught me now. I must say this. Usually, this balance, can you see this balance? This one, the balance is a bank account. Usually must be the same as this opening balance, usually here. Does that make sense?
Yes.
This 42,957 was supposed to be the same as this amount here. They put 39 here. Don't worry. In future, I think they won't make this mistake here. So this 42 was supposed to be the 42 here. But let's take this one. We just preference will always be, so for example, in future, let's say they did not give you this, ne? They did not give you this previous bank record. You were supposed to use this balance. Will you remember? Ladies and gentlemen, will you remember if you did not have this? Will you remember to take this balance? Thank you so much. Thank you everyone. Thank you, Mbali. Everyone. Perfect. Umi, thank you. Fanny, thank you so much. Yeah. So that's why we take this one. Okay, take this one. If they did not give you this bank recon, you use this one. Okay. Now we can go and transfer. Remember, you said the second step, you can write it down. The second step is to transfer these totals, cash payments and the cash receipts. Okay. So please remember these amounts. I'm going to ask them from you. I will need the 33,000 and I'm going to need this 47,000. So you must tell me where to record. Okay, let's, because this one is the payment. Where will I record the payment? We said what? Credit. So on the credit side, I'm going to record this 33. And the cash receipts, I'm going to record on the debit side. Okay, let's go there. I don't know. You can take the screenshot of this quickly. You can take a screenshot before I continue. Now I scroll now. I'm going to go to the next page. Now, let's start with the debit. I think the end month is going to be 31st. On the credit side, I think you remember from our past experience, we write total receipts, and you must tell me that you took it from the CRJ, and the amount is Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Thank you, Togozo. That's how I must record it. Can you see now? I said total receipts. That is the amount. Thank you so much. I must also go to the other side, but the other side I'm gonna put total payments. Okay, and then just say CPJ, and the total payments was how much? Thank you so much for that. Somebody, thank you. 433,772.20. Just like that. So don't forget. Okay. And now we do what you know best. What do? We balance the bank account. Please, you know how to balance the bank account now. The biggest side, obviously, is going to be Mutonda said, is it not okay if we close the accounts and we use a pencil, or we have to use the... No, unfortunately, they don't allow pencils in the exam. Can you see now? Unless if you want to draw some lines, but they don't normally need pencil, because they think that maybe as you are a lecturer, I'll wrap your answers and write the correct answers for you. Can you see now? That's why they don't want a pencil. No problem. Thank you so much. I just added the total that I found here on the debit side. How much did you get, Mbali?
90,897.57.
Okay, thank you so much. 90. You know, the young one there, I think that young one likes accounting. So you must advise the young one to enroll for accounting when she or he grows up.
I will say she's crying for Vuyani.
Okay.
She can recognize the voice.
Our
Okay.
future
Yeah, man.
accountant. Our
You
future
know,
accountant.
yeah, I know. Yeah, the future account. You can see now they like what we are doing, the young ones. You know, they can sense, you know, the enjoyment.
Yeah, man.
No, it's not a bad thing. It's a compliment. Angle. Okay, angle. It's okay.
Have
So what's the next step?
Gale ke bona taba ya le ntokozo.
I didn't hear anything. What is the difference?
sir.
Yes.
So sir, you see where we're recording now, ne?
Yes.
This is the second part of what we did. So you just take all the
Come again.
totals from the CPJ and the CRJ, and then you put them
Yes.
on the. Oh, okay.
That's true. So if you can check them, these are the same. I just copied them there. Can you see this one? If you go back there, you can see the totals.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir.
No problem. Thanks, man. I think you all know how to find the balance carried down. We just said 9897 minus 33772.2. We found the difference. The same way we've been balancing before. And thereafter, we must just bring it down on the other side. Please talk to me if you're lost. Let me find you, please. Thank you so much, Mpo, for that. And we are this is how to balance the account. And thereafter, the last thing that we do is the bank recon. Okay. Bank recon is important. Okay. If I may ask you, what is the first thing that we record under bank recon?
Balance as per bank statement.
Perfect. Thank you so much. I'm gonna write it down now. Balance as per bank statement.
Oh, favorable.
Do you have a favorable balance? Yes, thank you. I'm just gonna write F, ne? Okay. Let's go and check it. Yes, the May. Let's go and check. That bank statement. It must always be, yeah, for the current month. Can you see here? Always take the last balance. Remember, you always take the last balance. Yeah, it's favorable because they didn't tell us that it's not favorable. So it's favorable. So to show that it's favorable, under which side must we go and record this? Please note the amount. I'm going to need the amount.
The credit.
It's 43919.86. Eh? Which side? Do you agree with Mbali says favorable is debit? Do you agree with that?
No, it's credit, sir.
It's credit because it's coming from the bank statement. Eh? Okay, it is on the credit side. If it was unfavorable, you will record it on the debit side. Okay. Okay. What is the next one? Next thing that we record?
Credit outstanding deposit.
Thank you so much for that. Credit outstanding deposits. So let's go and check. I think you and I know how to find this. Here one number. Okay, no problem. So this is what I'm gonna do. Remember, we are going to compare our receipts together with our bank statement. Okay, I'm gonna do this. I know some of you don't have a paper in front of you, so I want you to go and check with me. Go and check 8995.60 on the bank statement. Did you find it? 8995.60 on the bank statement on the credit side. Do you find it?
Yes, sir.
Thank you so much. This one, eh? We found it. Okay. So I'm gonna tick also here. What about 10668?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. What about 9443?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Thank you so much. What about 14332? 14332. Do you see it?
No.
No.
It's not there. So that's the one that is missing here. So that one, this one is the one that we're looking for. That will be our outstanding deposit. I hope you understand how we do that. So I'm gonna record it. Like you said, you said credit outstanding deposit, meaning I must go and record on the credits. One four
Sir, are we not
three.
recording it with the document numbers?
No, with the deposit you don't have to, but you can put it. You won't be penalized, né? But with the deposit you don't have to, but with the checks you have to. So, but what you can do, let's say in brackets there, you can just put that number in brackets. So, but I would like that. I think it's 0.64. 0.64. Thank you for that. Any questions, guys? Otherwise, what is next?
Debit outstanding checks.
Thank you, thank you. With outstanding checks. So remember the checks, you have to record them one by one. So let's go and check the checks. So we just have to check the check numbers with this one. Huh? Okay, because we've got check DS53.
No, sir. You're on the wrong one.
Oh, sorry. Ew. I need a pension now. Okay, thank you so much for that. CC26. Okay, because of I don't want to go back and forth. Let's go and check CC26, CC27, CC28. 2677. Let's look for them. Is there any 2-6 here? Yes.
Yes.
I'm gonna tick this one. 2-7?
Yes.
Yes. 2-8?
Yes.
Okay. I think you all understand what I did. Let me go back. So here I'm gonna tick 1, 2, 3. Let's go and check 2, 9, and 30. Do you see 2, 9, and 30 here?
No.
No, sir.
We don't have them. So those are the ones that we are looking for. Thank you. So those two are the ones that I'm going to record as my outstanding. I've got 2 outstanding checks. Okay, so I'm gonna record them one by one. I'm gonna write check. I'm just gonna write CC. CC 229. David O'Craig.
David.
David, thank you. This was 136.71. Yes. Okay. And the other one was 230. So those are the 2 checks. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, Mpo. What's next?
Balance as per bank account.
Thank you so much. Debit or credit?
Debit.
Debit. Thank you. System is a bit slow now. I don't know. I know this time Wi-Fi is trying its luck. It's trying to change it here. 5125.37. And then now we just have to total them and check if they balance or not.
Say they're not balancing.
Why not? If it's not balancing, it's not my problem, it's our problem. Ne? Double check there. But I see 0. Come on. I think it balances. Just double check. Maybe there's something more. Others must add the other side.
Oh, say they do balance. Yes.
You do, ne?
Yes.
And how much? Thank you. 582. Thank you, Maria. 252.5. Five eight two five two. Yeah, I think it balances. Someone is canceling the lesson.
Sir,
Hmm.
why do you say it balances? Because like on the debit side, I can only see two amounts,
There are
136.
three amounts.
I
Which
can't
one?
see it. Where's the
Which
other one?
amount
Balance
are you
bank Mbali.
Hayahlaya kona mus.
Yeah,
you see?
ile
See
maphepha
that
ya
one?
Yeah,
balances.
bana. In fact, so
That
after
one,
CC 30, there's nothing. There's totals.
How many?
Wawungahambi
Okay, how
laptop
many
yakho
balances?
ku-August ayilungise. Hayi.
But I can see all of them here.
But
We
I
have
can't
got three
see
amounts
them.
on the.
Yo,
How many amounts do you see on the debit?
2. And the
No,
total,
there
the
must be three.
fifth,
So which amounts do you see? Which amounts?
136, 9, and
Yes.
136.71 and 990.42, and then
Yes.
58,252.50.
there is
There is another one called balance as per bank account.
I
I blame the load shedding. Can you see it now? Can you see it?
I say kilo shading, sir.
Yeah, no. Load shedding. But it's okay. I think maybe it's because of sometimes maybe Wi-Fi is going on and off. So that is how to deal with the bank recon, guys.